Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to add patterns to your Figma designs using totally free resources. Whether you're sprucing up a website mockup, designing an app, or just wanting to add a little extra detail to your graphics, using repeatable patterns can make your designs look polished and professional. And the best part is you don't need to spend a cent. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to find high-quality free images, bring them into Figma, and turn them into seamless patterns that you can use in all your projects. Let's dive right in. So the first thing I want to show you is how to grab a free image. For this tutorial, I'm using a photo from Pixabay, which is an amazing resource for free, high-resolution images you can use however you like. Just head over to Pixabay.com, type in the kind of pattern you're looking for, maybe something like geometric pattern or abstract texture, and download an image that catches your eye. Make sure to pick something that's meant to repeat, or at least looks good when duplicated side by side. It can really help if the image is already seamless, but don't stress if it's not perfect. You can still get a great result. Once you've got your image, it's time to bring it into Figma. Drag your downloaded image right onto your canvas, then drop it inside a frame. Frames in Figma are like digital canvases that we can resize, move, or fill with all sorts of content, so putting your image in a frame gives you much more control. Just select or create a frame that's roughly the size you want your pattern area to be. Then either drag your image directly into the frame, or if it's already on your canvas, you can select it and use the shortcut Command+X or Control+X on Windows to cut it. Click on the frame, and then paste it inside with Command+V or Control+V. Now this next part is where we actually turn our image into a repeating pattern. Click on your image within the frame to make sure it's selected. Head over to the right sidebar, you'll see a section called Fill. Under Fill, you'll notice a drop-down menu that usually says Fill by default. This is where the magic happens. Click on that drop-down and look for the option that says Tile. Sometimes it's tucked away, so don't worry if you have to scroll a bit to find it. When you choose Tile, Figma will instantly start repeating your image inside the frame, just like laying down tile flooring in a kitchen. It's really satisfying to see it come together. But maybe the initial size isn't quite right, it might look too zoomed in, or the pattern might be too small. Here, how to fine-tune it. Just below the drop-down you'll see draggable sliders or numbers where you can scale the image. Drag the selection line left or right to make your pattern larger or smaller until you get just the right look. Take your time with this part. Sometimes, even a tiny adjustment can make your pattern feel more seamless. If things aren't lining up exactly how you want, you can also move the image around inside the frame by dragging it directly. It's a bit like moving wallpaper to line up the details just right. Don't worry if this takes a few attempts, especially with images that aren't perfectly seamless. With a little experimenting, you'll start to get a feel for which images and what scaling looks best on your frame, and that's it. In just a couple of steps, you've taken a free image from Pixabay and turned it into a repeating, customizable pattern in Figma. This technique is so flexible, you can use it for backgrounds, UI elements, or even illustrations. Plus, once you get the hang of it, you'll start to see pattern possibilities everywhere online. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about working with patterns or Figma in general, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.